one of the main things when you first start out is understanding your personal risk tolerance. How much risk do you want to take of the money you're putting in? A lot of people don't want to take a lot of risks. Some maybe based on your personality, you don't. But really, the amount of risk you take should be based on how much time horizon you have in investment. The longer you have, longer your time horizon is, the more risk you can take early.
Yeah.
So,
and it's one of those things where there are some basic rules, right? The younger you are, the more risk you should take. But that doesn't mean just because you're on the younger side, you should take a lot of risk, right? Because once again, it goes back to your ability to handle that volatility. And when you know yourself, then you can really design a portfolio, create a suite of assets that has the volatility that you're comfortable with over time, that still has good return over time as well.